Create AI cartoon videos for free. Here's how. Just a free Google account and about 20 minutes of your time. You're about to see a full cartoon with the same characters showing up in every scene, all connected together like one story. Most people think this needs a studio budget. It doesn't anymore. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll know the exact steps to build one yourself. Let's talk about why this was hard before now. Free AI video tools used to give you tiny clips, one at a time, with no way to connect them. You'd end up with 5 random videos that didn't match, different lighting, different character faces. It looked like 5 different cartoons stitched together with tape. That's the part that used to stop people, not the creativity, the connection. Google fixed that by putting its Veo video model straight into Google Vids and giving every free account monthly generations to use. That means the tool that used to sit behind a paid wall is now sitting right there in your Google account, ready to go. So let's build something with it. Before you generate a single frame, you need 2 things figured out: how it should look and what happens in it. Skip this step and you'll waste your free generations on stuff that doesn't match. Start with Pinterest. Search for the visual style you want. Say you're planning a short cartoon for the AI Profit Boardroom community. You'd search for something soft, 3D, and friendly, not stiff and corporate. Something that feels warm, like a small business owner would actually trust it. Save 5 or 6 images that all feel like they belong together. That folder becomes your style guide. Now open Claude and plan the story. Here's a prompt that works. Write a short, wholesome story that shows how AI automation helps a small business owner save time and grow, told through 2 characters on a simple journey. Claude hands you back a scene-by-scene outline. That outline is your map. You're not guessing anymore. Quick pause, because this matters. Everything you're learning right now, planning with AI, keeping visuals consistent, building something that looks professional without a team behind you, that's the exact same skill set we teach inside the iProfit Boardroom. It's not just for cartoons, it's for building content, systems, and automation for your actual business. If you've ever felt like you're wasting hours on tasks AI could just do for you, that's what we break down step by step in there. Now, characters. This is where most people lose consistency, and it's the easiest thing to fix. Use Gemini's image tool to build a character reference sheet before you generate a single video. Here's a prompt built around growing a brand instead of a cartoon. Generate a full reference sheet for a friendly mascot character that represents the AI Profit Boardroom, a trustworthy figure that represents smart automated growth shown from multiple angles, same features every time. That one reference sheet becomes reusable. Every thumbnail, every promo clip, every piece of content pulls from that same sheet, same face, same style, every time. That's what makes it look like it belongs to one brand instead of 5 random AI experiments. All right, characters are locked. Now for the part that actually separates a real cartoon from a slideshow of random clips. Prompting. Most people cram everything into one giant sentence and wonder why the video looks confused. Break it down second by second instead. Here's what that looks like for a promo video built around the AI Profit Boardroom. 0 to 3 seconds, a business owner sits at a cluttered desk, overwhelmed. 3 to 6 seconds, she opens a laptop, an automated dashboard appears, and the clutter clears off the desk. 6 to 9 seconds, she leans back and smiles as new leads roll in on their own. That kind of structure turns a vague idea into something that actually says something. Now let's build it inside Google Vids. The layout's simple. Your edit space sits in the middle, your generation tools sit on the right. Open the video tab, choose animate an image, upload your starting frame, paste in your timeline prompt, and generate. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes on clip 2. They grab the last frame from clip 1 and use it as a fresh starting image. It creates an awkward jump every time because the model has no memory of what happened right before that frame. Use the extend feature instead. Click extend, tell it what happens next, and the motion carries straight through with the same characters intact. Say you're building a longer promo for the AI Profit Boardroom. You'd extend a clip of a founder reviewing automated reports straight into a second clip where she's meeting new clients. Same character, same energy, one continuous story instead of 2 random clips glued together. Second trick, switching camera angles. Take the last frame of a clip and recreate it from a new angle. It reads as a natural cut, not a jump. And now, with parallel generation, you can test a few angle options at once instead of waiting on each one before trying the next. Once every clip is generated, the hard part's done. Google Vids is a full editor sitting right on top of the generator. Drop your clips into the timeline in story order, add transitions, layer in Lyria music if you want a soundtrack. Say this were a landing page video for the AI Profit Boardroom. You'd open on the problem, a business owner buried in manual work. Transition into the solution, automation taking over. End on a clear invite to a community built around AI automation. Record your voiceover right inside the editor and drop it wherever it's needed. Now, 30 seconds, because this matters if you're serious about using this for your own business, not just cartoons. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we walk you through this exact workflow: Claude for planning, Gemini for consistent characters, Google Vids for generating and editing, and we show you how to point all of it at your own business instead of a fictional story. Weekly coaching calls where you can ask about your specific setup. Daily tutorials on tools like this the moment they update. A 30-day roadmap built around getting your first automated content system live. Members already using Google Vids and Veo for their own content, ready to answer your questions. Links in the description if you want a shortcut instead of figuring it out alone. Back to the workflow, because there's a couple more pieces worth knowing. Let's talk about what actually makes the difference between a cartoon that looks choppy and one that looks like a real production. It's not the prompt length, it's whether every clip knows what came before it. That's the whole reason Extend matters so much. The old way: Gen 1 clip, download the last frame, upload it as a new starting image, hope the model remembers the character. It usually didn't. Now the model's holding the thread the entire time. That's the difference between 5 disconnected demos and one story. Here's another thing worth knowing: the free tier gives you a real number of generations every month, and it resets. So if you're planning a longer cartoon, plan your scene count around that budget before you start generating randomly. Use your Claude outline to figure out exactly how many clips you need, then generate with intention instead of burning through your free generations on test shots. One more example, because seeing it applied twice makes it click. Let's say you're building a short explainer for the AI Profit Boardroom that shows a business owner going from overwhelmed to automated. Scene 1, timeline prompt, showing her staring at 15 browser tabs. Scene 2, extend that into her closing them one by one as automation takes over each task. Scene 3, extend again into her walking away from the desk while the dashboard keeps working in the background. 3 connected scenes, 1 character, 1 story, 0 paid software. That's genuinely the whole method. Style references from Pinterest, story planning in Claude, character consistency in Gemini, connected generation using timeline prompts, and Extend, bringing it together inside the Vids editor. 5 steps, every one of them free. And here's the bigger point: whether you're building a cartoon or a real piece of content for your business, the steps don't change. The tools you just watched, Claude for planning, Gemini for visuals, Google Vids for generating and editing, are the same tools we use inside the iProfit Boardroom to help business owners cut down the hours they spend on manual content work. Building out visuals, writing scripts, putting together a full campaign from nothing. It's the same process you just watched, just pointed at a real business instead of a cartoon. If any part of this clicked, don't stop at cartoons. If you want the full walkthrough, the coaching calls, and members already deep into Google Vids and Veo who can help with your exact setup, that's what's waiting for you in the AI Profit Boardroom. Every part of it is built around actually using these tools to save time and bring in more leads and customers, not just watching demos. And if you want to go even further without spending anything, the full process, the step-by-step guides, and over 100 AI use cases like the one you just watched are sitting inside the AI Success Lab, and it's completely free to join. This isn't a stripped down version either. It's the same level of detail you just watched applied across dozens of different tools. You'll get the full notes from this exact video the second you join, so you're not pausing to screenshot anything. Plus, you'll be dropped into a community of 75,000 people actively using these exact workflows in their own projects right now. Links are in the comments and the description. It takes less than a minute to get in, and everything from this video will be waiting for you.